Hi, this is Ani. Ani Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter, and you will find my blog under daytradingwithani.com, where I make further comments about the market conditions that I see to be coming and what and how it may be handled. Let's take a look at SPX here. First of all, I have not covered this in a while, so looking at this pattern, I'm seeing that this could go further down and test right here. This is a major test area for this, because if it does break down, then most likely this pattern will continue to complete down to here in this after passing through the previous all-time high once again and down to here to complete it. Now this seems a little bit shallow in this on this daily, and certainly it can bounce back up once it tests roughly around the 1606 and continue on to break out above here. However, we need to watch this area here at the 1636 to make sure that that can actually fill all these tails and go higher. This being the resistance area right about right there. And of course, as I said, this being the support area right here. So those are the two things to watch. And then of course, once it breaks through here and fills this wick, then we have to have this area surpassed. And those are your watch lines, or your price lines to watch, I should say. Let's take a look at the DJIA to see how different or similar it might be. And if I put in the right code, it might help there. Okay, so looking at the DJI, it is a similar pattern, of course, but one thing is also notable here is that here we had a false breakdown and a reverse, but we did not have that breakout that I was talking about looking for, and so we are back down, and this time we have not a false breakdown but rather a completed breakdown below this channel trend. So that is something of significance and something that I would be watching this further down for another support area once again to be visited, just like with the SPX. So we will probably be revisiting this right here, and if it breaks down that, then we'll be looking at this area at the 14683, and once again down to further here. We have a lot of other this support area right here and sideways will be very significant if we do break that down also to come down to this area. So those are all to watch and watch for, because certainly we cannot foretell exactly which way it's going to pop or drop, and it helps to have different views to keep in mind. Okay, so one more time we're going to be looking at the NDX, and once here too we've got this pattern going. It's a little bit more sporadic right here, but it's this long candle right here could be tested to come back up at the 2953, and that will be significant to break that out and through to go higher and test once again to try and fill this, and then to try and go past this mark right there. So those are all important, and as are the breakdowns here and the support lines once more. Support line, and is going to be very significant if this is broken down here. Okay, that's it. Trade it well and carefully as always, and good luck in the markets, and we'll be talking with you again soon. Bye bye.